Day 6. Love is the key to unity and peace. Verse, Ephesians 4:2-3 NIV. Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. Description: Ephesians 4:2-3 teaches us that love is essential for maintaining unity and peace. The Apostle Paul emphasizes that to live in harmony with others, we must be humble, gentle, and patient, always bearing with one another in love. This verse reminds us that love is the glue that holds relationships together and keeps us unified, especially in a community of faith. Without love, unity is fragile. Today, focus on how you can strengthen your relationships by fostering peace and unity through love, showing patience and humility in your interactions.